Hi guys, today we are learning how to make a video landscape on CapCut. First, unlock your phone and open the CapCut app. Once the app opens, you're ready to start a new editing project. Now, tap New Project. Your phone's gallery will open, allowing you to choose the video you want to edit. Choose the video you want to convert into landscape mode. After selecting it, tap Add in the bottom right corner to import it into CapCut once your video is imported. Swipe through the editing tools at the bottom and tap Ratio. This lets you change the video's aspect ratio. Now, tap the 16:9 ratio or choose any other landscape ratio available. Your video will instantly switch to a landscape layout. Next, tap your video in the preview window and resize or reposition it so it fits properly within the landscape frame. Once you're happy with the result, tap Export in the top right corner. Your landscape video will be saved to your device, and that's how you can easily make a video landscape on CapCut. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.